Okay, so welcome everybody back to this channel. This Priceless Technology. Please, if you are here with us and this is your first time, kindly subscribe to and like, share, then comment. So today we are going to look at how to bypass the review permission page that occurs when we click on a web portal, that's the web app link. So I'm going to just paste the link here. So let me open a page. Okay, let me paste it direct from this one, so I can paste it here. Then let me press on enter. So this is the screen that you see. So normally this is just for demo. You will see your school name at this place. You see the school name at this place, and then you see Unverified. So you have to go straight to review permission. So you click here, then a pop-up will come for you to sign in with your Google account, that's the Gmail account. So you select your account. If it's not this one too, you can go to use another account, then you select that one. So we just click on this, your account that you are using, the one that you are using, any Google account that you are using, you can use that one to verify. So when you finish, you go to advanced here. They say Google as in here, so you go to advanced here, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see go to this on save. So you click on that one, then wait for it to load. Then this one to pop up, so you scroll down, then you go to allow. So after that, you have already you've successfully authorized it. So this is just set up to allow the system to just communicate with whatever you input in this portal to that, and it is just one time. So after everything, anytime you click on it, it's going to give you straightforward to the side. It will send you straightforward to this side. So if I paste it here again and go, it's not going to go back to that process again to take me straight forward to this side. Yeah, so here is it. So we can see here is it. So our system is ready. Then you can log in, then we just process from here. If you want to send any comments or any problem or any challenge you want to this, you just click on this one, then it will open straight to our consultants. So we just have access to chats with our system, then just to help you in whatever. So just go straight in. You see we have a template here. Hello, Priceless Technology, my name is. You just enter your name. So you enter. When you click on open here, you have to install WhatsApp on your machine first. If you don't have WhatsApp, that means you cannot do this one. So then you continue from here. Thank you very much. So we'll continue from our next video how we are going to look at other time. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you very much.